Senzing has a very unique way to combine two data sets to look for the overlap. You have to take two customer lists and then combine them. But where are you going to do that? And you're just making a bigger pile of data. With Senzing, you hash names, addresses, date of births, phone numbers, tax ID documents. And you hash these on both sides so they're not human readable and they're not reversible. And the Senzing technology, we call it selective field hashing, allows you to combine those two, still entity resolve them, to determine how many unique customers you have across the two banks. This is going to also work inside of an organization where you might have two different piles of data, maybe some employee data and maybe some criminal data, and you might want to combine those two to see if by chance there's any overlap between the two. And our privacy methods for doing this are really one of a kind.